Welcome to English Listening Practice. Today's story is called A Day at the Market. This lesson is about 30 minutes long. First, listen to the story. Then, repeat after me. At the end, we will review new words and practice speaking. Let's begin. It was a sunny Saturday morning. Maria wanted to buy fresh food. She decided to go to the local market. She carried her shopping bag and left home with a smile. On the way, she thought about what to buy. Vegetables, fruit, bread, maybe some flowers. Maria entered the busy market. She saw colorful fruits everywhere. Apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes. The seller smiled and said, "Good morning. Would you like some fresh apples?" Maria replied, "Yes, please. 2 kilos of apples." The seller weighed the apples and gave them to her. Next, Maria walked to the vegetable stall. There were carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions. She asked, "How much are the carrots?" The seller said, $1 a kilo. Maria bought carrots, tomatoes, and cucumbers. She placed them carefully in her shopping bag. Maria smelled something delicious. It was the bakery. Fresh bread, cakes, and pastries filled the air with a sweet smell. She said, "Good morning. I'd like 1 loaf of bread and 2 croissants, please." The baker gave her warm, golden bread. Maria smiled and said, "Thank you. It smells wonderful." Maria smelled something delicious. It was the bakery. Fresh bread, cakes, and pastries filled the air with a sweet smell. She said, "Good morning. I'd like 1 loaf of bread and 2 croissants, please." The baker gave her warm, golden bread. Maria smiled and said, "Thank you. It smells wonderful." At the end of the market, Maria saw a flower stall. Roses, lilies, and sunflowers were everywhere. She chose a bunch of yellow sunflowers. She thought, "These will make my home bright and happy." The flower seller wrapped the sunflowers carefully. Maria paid and placed them on top of her bag. Maria walked home slowly. Her bag was full, and her heart was happy. At home, she placed the flowers in a vase. She thought, "The market is always a wonderful place." That was today's 30-minute English listening practice. A day at the market. You practice listening, repeating, and speaking. Great work today. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.